Morning Standard 8 students. I taught you the first chapter, Unit 1A, The Knife Friends. Now I am going to give you one activity in this video, that is, you have to write a paragraph based on the chapter The Knife Friends. Let me see how you can write. This paragraph you will write in your rough copy, not your English literature copy. So let's start. Now here you see I have given one activity 1 from English literature. Think and write. What would you do if a puppy enters into your house searching for its mother? Would you feed it, shoo it away, or do something else? Think about this situation and write a paragraph at least 10 lines about what you would do in this situation. You may organize your paragraph by reading the following instructions. You see, I have helped you how to write. I have given some instructions so that you can write the paragraph by your own. At first, think few ideas for organizing the paragraph. So what you will do? You will think some ideas. First you think of some ideas and write in a page. Begin by writing a topic sentence which can give the main idea of your paragraph. Then you have to give one topic of that paragraph. After writing the topic sentence, write information to prove, illustrate, clarify. Then you describe or exemplify. You should give some examples, your point. After you write all such information, you may explain few details to make the paragraph interesting. So what you will do? First of all, you think some ideas to organize the paragraph. Then think a suitable topic for that paragraph so that it can give the main idea of your paragraph. Then after writing the topic sentence, what you will do? Write information to prove, illustrate. Illustrate means to explain, clarify, same thing, or exemplify your point. After you write all such information, you may explain few details to make the paragraph interesting. Then you explain whatever the thoughts you have written. Finally, you need to write the concluding sentence to sum up your thoughts. At the end, what you will do? You will conclude by sum up, means to think all your thoughts, to gather all the thoughts, and you write the concluding part of the paragraph. Did you understand? Again I am explaining. At first, think few ideas for organizing the paragraph. As I have given you to write the paragraph, so first of all you think of the ideas, that what you will write in the paragraph. Then you think a suitable topic of the paragraph. After writing the topic sentence, write information. You give some information to prove, illustrate, clarify. You can get the help also from the chapter Unit 1A, that is the Knife Friends. See how the Kesav and his sister did for the betterment of the chicks or for the eggs. So same way you can also get the idea from that chapter also. So read the chapter and on the basis of that idea you can write the paragraph. And you have to give the informations and you have to explain. So only 10 lines. Let me see how you can write by your own. So have a nice day. I will give you more activity in my next video. I hope you have understood and do it. Thank you. Have a nice day.